My name is Caroline Rustigian, and I am doing this testimonial because I truly believe everyone should participate in the Magic Menopause program. Before I discovered Dr. Anna Cabeca and the Magic Menopause program, I was suffering from severe anxiety and depression as a result of my menopause. The universe literally just delivered this program to me. I clicked on it, I joined, and it's the best decision I've made in my entire health and well-being life, by far. I highly recommend Dr. Anna Cabeca and the Magic Menopause program. It was a game changer, life changer for me. Before working with Dr. Anna, I was very frustrated at my hormone health. I wasn't getting any answers. I actually was going to a very highly regarded, globally regarded functional medicine doctor, and she's amazing, but I was not getting the type of detailed answers that I received once I was part of the Magic Menopause community and program. It literally changed my life. What made me say yes to the Magic Menopause program was it just was one of these things that I just had a gut instinct. I didn't know her at all before, and it was super clear that her passion and her desire for the education of hormone health is beyond anyone else that I had ever encountered. I started noticing results probably after 4 weeks because I had already been through menopause when I discovered Dr. Anna and the Magic Menopause. My favorite part of the Magic Menopause community was definitely the weekly calls. I would come armed with a list of questions, and I was always in the hot seat, which is a one-on-one with Dr. Anna during those calls. I am not shy, and I really, really cherished that advice that she gave me and the information I got from those one-on-one. That was the best. Since working with Dr. Anna and using Julva and her other products, it up-leveled my intimacy, even though I didn't think I really needed it. And it just smells good and it feels good. It's a real self-care bonus. And I have literally given tubes of Julva to every single female I know in my community, which is a lot of people. My favorite product in Dr. Anna's line of supplements and other products is definitely the Mighty Maca. The Mighty Maca is another game changer. I have at least one every day. And when I'm not feeling well, Mighty Maca is like one of the things that I crave. It's very nourishing. This program differs from anything I tried, and I tried everything under the sun to manage my menopause. It was such a problem. I had such anxiety and depression, partly because I was searching for answers and to feel better. I just felt horrible for a good year. Once, thank goodness, I was served up an ad on Facebook for the Magic Menopause program, and I blindly joined, and I had no previous experience with Dr. Anna, and it was like life-changing. That's all I can say. What I'm able to do now that I wasn't before the Magic Menopause program is really identify when things are off immediately. What I love most about Dr. Anna is the access that you have to her community and her team. Response time from her and her team is incredible. They really care, and there's nothing like it out there. Nothing. I have searched high and low all over the world, and I will always be a big fan and sharing it with everyone I know. I have tried every single other solution for hormone health, and the Magic Menopause program was it for me.